Welcome back, friends. If you love cozy and elegant Christmas decorating ideas that make your home feel warm and inviting without spending a fortune, you're in the right place. I'm Sonja, and this is At Home with Sonja, where I share realistic decorating inspiration, cozy home styling, and simple seasonal ideas that anyone can recreate. Today I'm sharing my Christmas living room decorate with me, full of affordable high-end touches that bring that timeless Christmas charm into your home. So grab your coffee or a cocoa and let's decorate together. We're starting with a clean slate. I've taken down all the fall decor and I already have the tree up with the lights. This tree came unlit from a local nursery a few years ago, so I added my own fairy lights from Amazon. I got them last year, and they add such a soft, magical glow. I'm starting today's decorating with the coffee table. I'm using one of my DIY vases and I'm filling it with juniper berries stems I found on Amazon. They're absolutely beautiful and so affordable. To add some texture and height, I'm stacking one of my thrifted books and topping it with a few bells. The large bell was a recent find from HomeSense, and the other ones are my last year's DIY. To finish the look, I'm adding a thrifted deer that I painted black using textured black paint. I love how simple and festive this little vignette turned out. Cozy, elegant, and effortless. Now let's move on over to the mantel. This year I decided to go a lot simpler than last year. I'm using a beautiful cedar garland from Temu. It looks and feels so realistic. I secured it using command hooks on each side of the mantel, then added two stockings and a set of bells to one corner. Off camera, I also added some twinkling lights on a timer. They bring the perfect evening glow. For styling the mantel, I'm bringing in my wooden lantern from HomeSense to soften the look. On the opposite side, I added my jug vase with some winter stems from Dollarama that I picked up last year. Then going back to the lantern side, placing a set of black candlestick holders topped with Christmas tree candles from Amazon. They are so charming. To balance everything, I'm adding a raw wood nutcracker from Dollarama. I bought them meaning to use them for a DIY, but I love the natural look, so I just tied a little ribbon around it, and I love the way it looks. Beside the nutcracker, I placed a mailbox candle for the perfect pop of red that ties back to my entryway. If you haven't seen my Christmas entryway decorate with me, I'll have it linked for you to check out next. In one corner of my living room, I have a small side table that always holds a lamp and an urn. This was my dog Buddy's favorite spot, and my kids insist it stays right here. Beside it, I added a small vase with cedar stems from Timo. I got them last year, and they're still one of my favorites. Once added the stem, it felt like the table needed something more. So I added a deep green wooden tree I found at home since a few years back. To tie everything together, I added a red ribbon around the vase for that subtle festive touch. I love how this corner feels so cozy and personal. If you're enjoying this Christmas living room decorate with me so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more cozy and elegant Christmas decorating ideas coming your way. Now let's move on to the side table between the chairs. I'm adding a pair of large candle holders with green candles that I shaped into Christmas trees last year. Such a fun DIY. Next to that, I'm placing another one of my DIY vases. This one was a Pottery Barn dupe, and I'm filling it with Norfolk stems from Dollarama. They look so high-end and have that beautiful full texture and are quite large. For a little color, I'm adding a mercury red glass candle holder. It adds such a right amount of sparkle. Next up is the couch. I'm starting with the fringed blanket. It's reading a bit more orange on camera, but in person it is a more deep burgundy tone. Then I'm layering the patterned pillow that came with the couch, along with a pair of striped pillows from HomeSense and a velvet green pillow covers. I repeated the same on both sides on the other side and finished with the lumbar pillow in the center for balance. And now to come the final touch is the Christmas tree. I added this tree to the living room last year and I still love it. Most of the ornaments were DIYs I made last season. I'll be adding a few more this year to complete the look. And that wraps up Christmas living room decorate with me. I hope you enjoyed decorating with me today and that it gave you some cozy and elegant Christmas decorating ideas for your own home. Remember, you don't need to spend a ton to make your space feel warm, inviting, and high end. A few thoughtful touches and creative DIYs can make all the difference. Thank you so much for watching at home with Sonia. And if you haven't already, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more cozy home inspiration coming your way. Wishing you all a warm, beautiful, and joy filled Christmas season.